In this PowerPoint quiz game, we have a timer. If the 5 seconds are over, the next question automatically comes. If you get it right, this shows up. And if you get it wrong, this shows up. And at the end, it generates a report card and calculates points. If you want to learn how to make this, hit the subscribe button and let us get started. Let us start by deleting all the slides except the title slide and one question slide. Insert a new slide. Take a rectangle shape, draw it over here and type 0. This will be the number of correct answers. So take a text box and type correct answers. We can change the color to green and make it center. Now select this shape, hold Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard and drag it over here. This will be a number of wrong answers. We can change this color to red. Duplicate it once more and this is going to be the total number of points. So I can make this blue color. Now select the first shape, go to Select, Selection pane, and you will see rectangle 1 highlighted. Double click and change the name to nCorrect. This shape has to be nWrong and this shape has to be nPoints. And we can copy the heading from the first slide by Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, and we can put over here report card in PowerPoint quiz game. Now we need our developer tab. Right click over here, click on customize the ribbon and make sure that your developer tab is enabled. Now go to this website, the link is in the description, and click on scoring points. Over here you will see this code. Click on copy. Go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Right click here and click on insert module and just paste whatever was copied. Go to slide 1, click on start quiz, go to insert action and we need to run the macro start game. Now go to your correct answer. Similarly, we need to run the macro correct answer and you will have to remove your sound effect as we have the message box with its default sound effect. Click on incorrect answer. Under actions, this will have wrong answer. So do this for all the remaining shapes. Now at the end, copy the start quiz button and paste it in slide 3 and let's type over here end quiz. Select the shape, go to action and hyperlink this to end shape. Let us now add a 5-second timer for each question. In your question slide, insert a rectangle at the bottom of the slide. We can change the color appropriately and under animation, click on add animation. Under exit animation, choose wipe. Under effect options, make it from right and in duration, change it to 5 seconds and change this to with previous. Now go to transitions and remove on mouse click and make sure it is clicked on after. Now if you want to have more questions, you can duplicate this slide. If you want to shuffle your answers, you can always drag and drop this. You can change the number of points that you want to award by changing these values. Since we have interactive features which uses VBA coding, make sure that you save the file as a macro-enabled presentation or a macro-enabled show. And that is it. We have this file along with various little quiz games available for free download. Check this video out for more information. And please do subscribe to our channel if you want more such PowerPoint games.